The seal extension upgrading plan for Vanua Levu will include the Ovalau Road from the sea land, Meteorological West Coast Road from Buddha Bay Road, and Levu West Coast Road from Savu, with a total distance of approximately 50 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, sir, the seal road upgrading proposal will focus on the following sections of roads. 1, Ovalau Road from the sea land at Ovalau to Lavanga Junction in Solibumbua, covering approximately 10 kilometers in length. 2, Levu West Coast from Naimbalembale, Tiair Junction to Naviavi and Dawara settlement with a length of approximately 20 kilometers in the corridor. 3, Nateo West Coast Road from Lavanandi to Cortasere, Sevadi Junction, spanning approximately 30 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, as for Taveuni, we are focusing on the maintenance of the existing road network on the island with some village fronted sealing program for Vuna Village, which also covers Vuna Health Center, Vuna District School, and Kanadea Village on the south coastal road. So the plan for Ovalau Island is the resurfacing for the main town center and seal extension for another 5 kilometers from the end of the seal road, whereas for Kadavu, we are focusing on the ongoing road project and the routine and periodic maintenance program for the existing rural road network to maintain its serviceability for the traveling public on these two islands. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.